What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can manage cable messes like this. As you can see, it looks very ugly. It's not very appealing. So this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to need some of these white plastic things, which are cord cover kits. You can get these at Home Depot. I'll be sure to link some in the description. You're going to need some screws, some different kind of drill bits. A drill, screwdriver, and just have more bits for safety. Let's get to it. I forgot to mention in the last clip, you're going to need some of these. These are just some basic zip ties to keep all the wires together. Alright, so since this is vinyl, I'm going to need to drill some holes in it because adhesive won't really work. So I'm using a 1/8 inch bit, and I'm going to be drilling holes around every foot in this thing. Alright, so step one is to take out any of the old previous zip ties, which I'm going to do in the next clip. This is just so they fit in nicely. Alright, so progress update. I've done the top, and I've just come down to about here. So as I was coming down here, I came into an issue where I had it going into the wall. So I just did that, and I'm going to paint over it later. I came through another issue that my patio lights I installed in the last video. So I had to do this. I'm gonna put a cover on it. And then now I have to continue. Alright guys, just wanted to give you guys an update of how it's been. So this is what I've done so far. I've gone to here, gone to here. I did this from my deck transformer on the top. Come down, then go around. There, I kept going. I'm still coming, and for right there, I couldn't do anything because whoever built the house, they made the wires go into the foundation, so I couldn't do much. So I had to take it out of this loop. I might just paint those white later, so it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, that's where I'm at so far. Alright guys, I thought I'd show you the final. So I'm now done. See, the wires are much neater now. I had to screw in some holes there because there were so many wires they wouldn't fit, so I had to do that. Here I did this. See, I had to do this for the transformer. I'll come to the other side to show you. All under here. And for that little wire right there, I couldn't do anything because whoever built the house put it into the foundation, so I couldn't really take it out, and I was still using it, so I just had to manage with what I had. Go there, and we come to just about there where it goes inside.